Coming to you from the innovative, immersive Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Sphere. This is Next Weather.
Come on, Tim, can we keep it going?
We're going to keep it going.
Let's
you know
do it.
What? It's just like it's not a repeat, a three-peat. What do they call a four-peat?
A quad-peat?
Well, we'll call it a quad-peat.
I guess.
We're going to go right on through the
All
weekend.
right, let's do it.
Yeah, why not? All right, let's go ahead. Let's start off first. Let's take a look at what the numbers are going to be overnight tonight. You are probably going to chill down a bit. We're going to see temperatures dropping down into the 50s and 60s once again. We'll bottom out at 60 in Philadelphia. We'll see some 50s north and west of the city, so you'll probably want to throw the extra blanket on the bed. It's funny to say that, isn't it? Because in January, we'll be talking about overnight lows in the teens, so I don't know how many blankets you can pile on your bed between now and then. Down the shore, a little bit warmer, though, because that ocean water being a little bit warmer. So you'll be in the 60s, even close to 70 degrees in some spots. Okay, let's get rid of that and let's talk about tomorrow, because that is kind of the big one. That's the one that everybody wants to know about. And it is going to be another wonderfully mild and seasonable day, even on the warm side. You notice all these shades of red? That is because there's a lot of warmth that's going to be pumping into the area over the next several days. So we'll stay in the low 80s, even the mid 80s by the time we get into Sunday. But for tomorrow, we're going to be looking at 82 once again in Philadelphia, and we'll be looking at the upper 70s to low 80s north and west of the city. Down the shore, you're going to basically be looking at temperatures that are in the 70s because of the cooler ocean water. So you get the reverse overnight if you're going to be down the shore. Let's go ahead and take a look outside. It is spectacular out there. The lights are twinkling on the buildings. The sky is clearing out nicely. Temperature is dropping. It really does feel a little bit like fall, even though we are technically still in summer. We have to wait until the 22nd of this month for fall to finally arrive. So let's just enjoy every last minute of summer that we possibly can out there, right? We are going to be looking at a week ahead that is going to be kind of, well, let's just call it beautifully boring. We're not going to have anything huge going on, no big storms, no big cool down, no big heat up. We're not going to have any pouring rain. It'll be classically calm, and I like to say abundantly average. I think that's probably what everybody's looking forward to at this point. We've had such an exciting summer. Let's start fall a little bit nice. We do have high pressure in place, and you can see that there's a whole lot of nothing going on with it. There is this little weak front to the north of us, and that's going to try to scoot its way through here. Maybe as it drops southward, try to trigger a sprinkle for tomorrow and Saturday and even on Sunday, but it's really not going to have a lot of luck. The high pressure is going to be here. It brings in winds out of the north today. It shifts slightly, and then we get those south winds coming in here for our Sunday, and that is going to start to warm us into the mid 80s. So for tonight, we're going to be clear. You'll wake up with sun tomorrow, and look what happens. You get a few clouds in here, and then we basically see those stray sprinkles, let's call it that. I'm not even going to suggest an umbrella because they're that stray. We start off on our Saturday, we have a few clouds, and then we get stray sprinkles, and guess what? We're going to rinse and repeat and do the same thing on Sunday. We start off nice, maybe a stray sprinkle in the afternoon. And there really isn't any big rain in our forecast at all. We are going to be looking at very, very quiet conditions out there. So let's take a quick look at what's going to be going on for the next 7 days, because again, abundantly average and beautifully boring and classically calm. That is what we're going to be looking at. Temperatures in the 80s, near seasonal averages, and we'll see some sun each and every day, maybe a few clouds or a stray sprinkle. Yuki?
All right, Tim, thanks so much.